Penny floor. You've probably seen the viral videos that did the rounds recently featuring floors, bars, and tabletops made from pennies. One of the most popular video was made by one of their customers who created his own penny floor using one of their products. You can see his handiwork at DIY penny floor. As you can see, it looks amazing, and it's no wonder everyone wants their own floor of pennies. This technical team receives several calls a day asking how it's done, so they thought they would share a tutorial with you on how to do penny flooring. Polylevel. Polylevel combines the original idea of mud jacking with contemporary knowledge and technology to lift and raise sunken or broken concrete. Polylevel provides significant benefits. First of all, it is strong but light. It weighs approximately 4 pounds per cubic foot compared to 120 pounds per cubic foot for standard fill material. Because of its lightweight, Polylevel is used in situations where denser fill material would put an unfavorable load on weak soils. Despite its lightweight, Polylevel can support significant loads. In most cases, it offers more lifting power than mud jacking. Polylevel will not wash away once sealed. Its waterproofing properties can be useful in some uses. It is inert and stable. Polylevel has no chemical reactions with soil or moisture and will not leach harmful chemicals into the earth. And last but not least, it is quick curing. A Polylevel patch reduces downtime, as the foundation, roadway, or other structural elements are typically fully loaded 15 minutes after the material is injected. Redbloc. First and foremost, mechanical production guarantees a high level of quality, largely independent of human skill and weather-related influences. The redbloc element technology is based on a worldwide unique dry bonding process. By automating the production process, the redbloc element plain bricks can be placed exactly on top of each other. The patent dry adhesive prevents the unevenness in conventional masonry that results from the oozing mortar and reduces the material and time required for interior plastering by more than 20%. In addition, the clean look of a redbloc element brick wall ensures that the higher quality is also visible to the builder. Windows and door areas are already defined during planning and prefabricated fully automatically with an integrated lintel. This process eliminates the need for any chiseling work on site, an advantage that saves time, money, and the disposal of rubble. The precise fitting of windows and doors also prevents the formation of thermal bridges and prevents energy losses in the heating and cooling phases. Pattern imprinted concrete. Pattern imprinted concrete, or PIC, is one of the fastest growing products to have installed on your driveway or patio. And it's simple to see why. With its durability, variety of design, solid structure, and minimal maintenance. PIC is a single solid slab of reinforced concrete that will not sink or move like block paving and flagging and is weed-free, ensuring that your newest home improvement will last a lifetime. Fox Fittings Hot Taping Saddle. Fox Fittings provides its clients with electrofusion branch saddles with large outlet sizes, as well as drilling equipment manufactured by Fox. The video depicts the connection of an existing 400mm pipeline to a new 225mm pipeline. The work was done on a functioning pipeline under pressure in Tychy in Poland.